channel. This is Mandy from Jiangxi Lichang Auto Parts. Today I will introduce the Ranger 2.2 engine. Let's go. Now you could say I'm in our warehouse and there are many spare parts in stock. And we cooperated with some international brands like the BorgWarner, the FTE, and some Look clutch set. And we also cooperated with Food China, so we took many genuine parts every month in very good price. So they are all on sale. See, they are Look clutch set in stock. Still the BorgWarner. And finally, we came to the 2.2 Ranger engine. Let's have a look. You could say it's completely new and original engine assembly. And the most important thing is it's on promotion now. And if you want it, just take it home. Goodbye.